As you already know, that last week, the Ukwane musician and activist, Lucky Chime, popularly known as Young Prince, released a video where he verbally challenged the Honorable Commissioner for Finance of Delta State, Fidelis Okemotilije. The video sparked a series of counter videos and talks. Many followers of the commissioner fired back at Lucky Chime, while many others urged him to tender an unreserved apology to the Dikena Sosa one of Utagogbe, Chief Tilije. In this report, we bring you the full reasons behind the whole saga, as Mr. Lucky Chime, the young prince himself, explains a lot of things and why he insulted the Honorable Commissioner. Hear from him directly. He says that he was in church on Sunday, having a good time in God's presence, only for him to come out of the church and spotted some boys of the commissioner advancing to attack him. So he became furious and quickly released a video where he was relating and pointing out to what happened.
Everybody, good afternoon. Everybody, good evening. As I come out for church today, I see commissioner boys when he sent me, they come attack me. I see una. But I don't go call una name. Because una be rat. Outside Ukwane politics, una not be anything. So I don't go call una name. If I call una name now, don't make una day important. I don't go call una name. Me, I also know, say this what now when I dey fight for. We get so many people where we say, una dey think for na mind, say na they send me this thing when I dey do. I dey do it for myself and I dey do it for my Ward 9 people. Whether I succeed or not, it doesn't matter. But make I tell you now, when commissioner sent to me, see, not be to plenty for inside motor, they find me with the talk. Make we meet one-on-one. More than they gather like that, they work out because we go meet one-on-one. And when we go meet one-on-one, we go know how far. You go know say be Morocco burger. Say you, now be here, now you this is where they born you till now. Ya fa ku kenu unu fie na ya fa ku kenu unu certificate. Na ekponi na esu enu ele. Obana anyị meet one-on-one, the message go change. But let me sound this. Unu na le lori ke so nwere onye jinu ni shin wo ku kenu ni Ward 9. You are wasting your time. Nobody sent me. My people is being cheated, and I must stand to say that the people of Ward 9 is being cheated. So whether the Ward 9 people is joining me or not, I don't care. But I know that there are still good Ward 9 people that are interested of this case. When time reach, we go know how far.
Then the following day, being Monday, he settled down to explain that nobody sent him to attack the Honorable Commissioner for Finance and that he did what he did by himself. He also called several names of people whom he feels he was disappointed in during the course of this very issue.
Young Prince Johnny can you do anything concerning the Oku commissioner? Many anani issue what you mean. Umba India. First one there the Johnny can will on will go Oku. Umba India. Uku no jekeni ya paroka ni Facebook. Ne mari for one ani kunana pare now. Where control can go for ku the Madigua Narani commissioner Kunka Guaya. Everything that have to do with commissioner, it is women on. The first person in Kagoku Butoli Jason, ne use of Bonye Ward 9, Jenny Facebook, Jack Baroka Kenu Parent. But if I should have wished Kayato and Neso because I'm on ship Bonye go, and they go with me Femu in our chop. So at least any no. I'm not sure commissioner of a cab you. Oh, yeah, ye jikeme. Choronata or caro will eat you junior kid and Miffy Femu. Can you be Femu in Nanka white? Nay, you should not make one. She in a Abala will be doing politics. So that means that Abala Jenny Council almost to better. Then Ukulu House of Assembly. Ordinary party esco. Ye Yaburu to no why. So Kungo Fukui. Now, the second person in Kewono Bogumebo Nyela. My brother Mbena, Nebi Shoko Nodo, in the video canoe many upon a F5. And secondly, Abe Yusok, where you motor with him meme campaign, no quantity. shi ni believe shi yukin kunagwa bele ni di kufuni shi yukun nagwa nwe yo nwetie ya nyari ụbọchị anyị Jenny the Kings one commissioner shi na Sababia be visit PDP ni me the Kings hotel oke money de babasa ya ne our council chairman ne de babasa amano ko be ya nyari religious ifiji na onu weri me oke mo me PDP ni me da hall ine bono ma na echi shi we ye nei appointment shi ya nsu kete onwe ife yiji na onu weri ku de oke mo de mekeni ya bia ne be kudoi abangwa shi mkporo ni joka shi bia oyim ke na eme ya bia gwam shi ne bonoma ni we werite were ru oru shi bu onwe ife we ni ye aban ye advice she instead of feeding no din ebeni na eso oke mo na ekpikpe ko bi ka pain jo na ya jikude ni nari buke ya ki na eso na ru oru jeje kude ni ji ni kude no goyenti ya ki ji ni be memoi but oku kele posaneni kunji ni mani shi nwa mare yewe 600,000 naira baburu ndu correct you ka bia bagwa anyi boge ji ni ru ki ji ni be bido oru keno yero ne and kwe ji ni be buna ni moto kenu nunu we yini 1.5 million oku keni na meni kenje ne mari oseleni na ga ni party na ebu onu ma oku appointment we yini ye kubu setune kenti anyi ndene no shi okimo yewe ye godi elenu no get election ya boku kenu na eku imeni dikins abu dikins iso ki imeni fekenu even on the beru 3 weeks when many better you started it in the school there but if you can make about more people sa if na nkuni oburu ye mene bom ni su gba mwebu ka ya pom mo ni su gba mwebu oburu onwe no bochi ngwa na yoku ye advice si ba pa oke fidelis ni si je de kude no oburu if you can we mene ja pem ni su gba mwebu ka ya po ye gba mwebu ko bo oburu gba mwebu ni na so ka kelegbu enwo mebe nke weri je oruko 1 week mmegbo e so kenu bu uka ebenu eye tell me that advice you yield to the advice but today we have been meant to know that even when na je nursing school so kemmo ya na akwụkwọ school ke let me tell you oge aje ni election kenini na Ghana ne many DJs in May campaign DJs provided his vehicle and his instrument, and I was providing the fuel, doing the talking. The JZ the one to only shop boy bukel, Jeja Chua. Do any of the leaders, including Akbar and Jeja Chua, if any of them have ever given me and the JZ 10,000 naira, Sani will make campaign. We did that campaign with our money. Again, Kajini made that campaign. Anyaruta kofu oge chukwanyalanye. Iyuru ni ke wa koyogo. And you refuse to tell the public you are kono yogo. You the phenomenon. Daba sharife nkuni make bona fine. So mjeni kutoku na bege ne miyono. Ikari ne lono bishi you can marry fe. So yaso kuchi kuntie ni nwata nuke nuke tie ni. Then konye ne kenu na beji ni video kenu je that part that nonsense. Anya mara washinda no bu ndewe ji ne church. So anye tie onu ne benji omude. Ndanu bu na ndoji. So onye bia ne we na church. We will church. So keye ya in that corner. Now, nke move ke kpona enwe so boy mbu ibawa. You kun ka gwa kitane. Ibawa turunum na su igwe. She yo je made that video je me. Every other person made a video in this crisis aturun na so. Ya for ke turun na su igwe. Ya maro why? Oge we izuoru no mo no. Oge izuoru ni mukpo yi we na chi. Unja marana choy so she di ani muye ma the man the woman na no ba nso ya ba zoru no mono mmeke na bu young prince ya ba ne mechimbe kude no mono weri she ba wakenu na menebe wo bu say no mono weri je turkey joint egomu 2 carton of beer ngoni that day nde marolane nde church ni kwa ji ajuju ke nebe no men no chiri ni yeni a block with yeni shady up the next day agboro mi je ke little e gomu manya weri ye nwuye ya bia oba fu anyi ni ke little that day ke igwa no shi ya mare shi feed na some ele na enro ni weri ye shi fe kana enro ni weri ye shi onwunye ka rugba weri ye make a key funo kwe about the social media and Agbanda Marashi boy. There is in the below him. You are not my friend. You are my worst enemy. Just bear that in your mind. Because I'm so many ways may shade you up. Because Marilyn Popo Marono Bundekim Dikeshi Meyeke Morgan so I wanted to remove that shame from you, but you can you of Iguanum. So Yasha pushing me. Manyane now let that spot and Kenu Apple. Ni video keni because in that can will not be one couldn't make me video can be one. The no yours only can run the solution. Honorable Solomon, you couldn't a Goku now. You have okay. You were the first person from Ward 10. One ne, one more could kill pushing winning Maron so Maron Akbaroka. The danger na Saba. Aban stop on or Washuku Bridge made that video naked a governor on Bridge Kenu or keep on them, didn't quality. That was around 3 o'clock. Keep on them. Or Mekpone, yes, Mekpone. Elengiri boy. Yababiru Nagwam or Sife in Agwam. Kele Boston is Shimaro. Ikunishi nine will send 2 million will ye lawyer never. I say is recorded in my phone. Do you understand? The Yagwatam she or the market Ngwa okay moshi will be well. I agreed with you because of the discussion many you win. About why she or be 7 o'clock in the evening. You will see my post. Nwaka abayema mai. Jafu eza Mike nkeneye makone launch ni mo obiani be furum erumo na ya many ye bido ipa ko ba gwan so fun ife post ni Facebook so na ya fe ni na makone be commissioner de she ochoni ko many ya me video ko nrio ko ngo ke moshi we be we which I obeyed because all this young when nare aseze. The video is in my phone and when you then play for the video with you now. But after I did the video, I did it around 7 o'clock. Eleni posani keze be robi arako. About full your post in making it, not threatening him. Show beru enyashe no gwane so beru enyashe she may make a video. Yaba je the post to so di ru enyashe. Bo marione okay mo she fije ke meme. Yanji ni kide that video say ke me post to e kon fu fije ke the meme. And the shike already be with many. And I pray Kobe we fije ke me no we fije ke me what you no nyala ke ya mare so when maro so ke no what even when na ka agwa so you was the brain behind my not apologizing to the Commissioner of Finance before now because I wanted to see what you would do as a person so ke no bo ken gwa gida you solution we kuru ku ndena poke money you bo number 1 yi pofu ni commissioner no wa ke na egwu anu konpo commissioner ya. I can't be very bold to insult commissioner the way you have did so far. You understand? But you the funny because also no China talk no way favor. Also no China talk no way young prince wedding way favor. Let me tell you, what the fund them and wedding them way favor. Instrument in when they go musicians. Major jeye just because of onion pushing we push we go him. Wabane go in does of cotton so. So let me tell you, o tefu ndem arujim them way favor. No kwan dem so ke ya boss aye. So when if in at just jikeme no when the yeshi fake on the same ya be share by the nokake. Now to my Commissioner of Finance. Okay, Gagwa ishi ichokatande ife kane son okwane ne ward 9 make nebo young prince bukel because oposa gwanu shoku ne ginu opone abun your enemy. Ede na no now Mbobo maro na ajo she only na eku ni social media so only for commissioner many only for many well and that word nine and then let me just tell you one of the reasons she win away off for that word 9. I just want to drop this point only this point is something can drop because I don't want to go into any other argument with you again after today. Well obiaro kusune ba she work in Wednesday remember she work in Wednesday when she word 9 we say z what time we say on Chinese. My commissioner, I know you will remember very well that you word 9 during the court, Makone, Okushi, Obiaro Pachonese. But what 10 in Muwa Chinese is functioning up till now. Obodo Nimwezi, Abangwili on Chinese, and it's working. But Eze, Arone, because Yachone, Obiaro Kumwezi. So, can you the only point? Let me tell you. ketanene but the last day nke akpoje fine whether we enjoy, I don't care after this video. From this very minute in time now, this time now is about 2 3. From this very time, this video you can use you where she young prince but fine in Facebook or anywhere. But in last year, no ifendana nkwane she dollar word 9 TNSO ya big boy you can pony. Where will you wow vakosha will paka ya polokum ko tie ni dustbin but ya come go suye na yenya because ogeberu ebenebe suye no kunde na neku obaka be pu nebel ke no bude team win nka gwai so oge ke na gwo sa ke word na yo ke onye nyijina ko onye nyejina shikete everything that has to do within this issue is dead and buried ikemekuwe. So for my brother Akpos ibo him now Ibu wenem iwe jitum because amara on say men using another in the go bi anyala and in no video ya uchem dị na arụ now so iwe jim then even the other of my brother ne Woten tiesh no n'ime Sami advice yenum ne that your video ya different ke weri ya shen kwusi eke ma arụ wife and then na say committee one. I'm going to face my music career and my Facebook work. So ya foku ndenena ye kanu ji wonu ni mere so neke no so no cha na go sande support on in this struggle either by advice by call whatever most especially the royal majesty of my kingdom narum kuni so de kasaru ye whether good or bad neke no ku Cliff neke ne shi yubu Solomon ne advice yemi come ko shishi na azu da way forzo I will still appreciate you. Neke no sande yen mo advice or sande kuna na pom ni phone because since that time till now phone man na esuike. So neke barrister Ogo osono chambenen ne advice you yeni. Okay lenuwo.
The following day also being Tuesday, Mr. Chukwudi Ernest Otuya, popularly known as MC Asari and Ogumegwu Onyela, who initially had granted an interview with Okwane Trumpet, also released a video targeted at Young Prince and explaining further things in more details and addressing those people who threatened his life also in this matter.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and where you are watching this video from. My name is Ernest Otuya Chukwudi, MC Asari, Ogumegwu Onyela, one of the whole nation. I'm here today to react on what I saw on Facebook. But please don't be hungry. Let me go back to our mother's tongue. So our aged parents, aged mother, fathers, sisters, and brothers will get me right. Thank you. Young Prince. You kumana bashaloku concerning a video it posted nyaro yashinambia kumba share. First of all, ekamakoyi akpotunemi mani arubamalo entertainment ani nwetu n'okwu ego okwu anything mbido na if people know oku economugwo or akonamugwo ni campaign. Before campaign, onye bụ nna anyị bụ nnam bụ Ogbuefi Fidelis Okemotulije, Commissioner of Finance, Delta State. Bonumoku. Chidela keme oku moto, the DJ for campaign. Isha moshe nwe moto. And you can rent a motor, rent instruments. Abia carton emu, showcase no problem. Abia roof but abia pamo. Meje Asaba, meje Ministry of Finance. No revenue will be a motor. Yem directive, elenkaga. Yem directions. Ogwelen yini J Asaba. Yem Ministry of Finance. JJ Buru Hilos from Ministry of Finance. Ya signing, she measure the Hilos, Meburu Hilos. That sign where you copy only their own copy. akpọ ma ni phone she eburu moto ka wo dey loaded o she can you go o ka go instruments she anyone so na ka ime o she ke shinga rent everything was my boss idea she rent ni ya kakakele that nyene po she rent sound system and then a double instrument sound one from DJ in using that bargain Jaguar a day for DJ. Ya ishe nwe bụ nye mmadụ na-enwe bụ Commissioner of Finance. Marishi wa agbaye fuel ni moto wa kudi oye ụgwọ. Ọbịa yemego si mmeji nwere na agbaye fuel ni moto akụ DJ on daily basis. One week ma akụ DJ ụgwọ. Ele ka arụ na rụọ ọrụ na ị na-ekwu okwu 1.5 million n'okwu 600,000 amanụ kọbụ ikwe yene ya yem iwe yene m 1.5 million ọ bụ 600,000 nye na bido campaign ọ bụ shi ikwe yene go ndị ayem biko Young Prince ka iwe senime mmeri shem nwe nidine anyị apụ n'ikenu ka ebe ọzọ ikuni Chokwu the Kings Chidi Kings chimme kunishe mmene ebe ọnụma na akwa party okwu na ebe ọnụma so adịbe my appointment Young Prince 89 na ma na ọdịnị my page aka m gburu ka ya mara nwanre nwatele m nọ n'ebi 89 na ma ebu ọnụma even the Kings ụbọchị kanu ya akpọ na m okwu. It was later when the Banolana, you are pom, that Ponimokone the Kings. Only Ponimokone the Kings, and then the Bonman, the Chin, a boo, what can make a microphone. O Funam, not about Basaya, the chairman, the local government chairman, the about Basa, Yak Ponum, she, I don't know Zobiaco, she need for an no. She I didn't know my yen nam, take my gnea with ye. She Johnny Equatum, no ye, Sonimaro, Roro. We kuye riri tu ekuni kuye ndozo wari be kuye amano kan dibu no shime abagban ni phone bochike shime calm down shime kubeshi ko wa de gwan shi okay room ya kishin be kuwe no bochike no abana aboshe yo shin be kuwe ne a stop nem nebe no because uni kuwe ne bo no ma ne kuwe ne be ndozo till ojene ba akpọ mo fu bochi na abraka many Festus Obiagbe Bo Tompolo, Yakwajini Mala, who the coordinator of NELA, and ye belly maru in the police station Abraka. Many aye, no yembokel. Many aye, okay, they ponum, one faithful day. Chu a shinke, on anoshe, ne bonum and a chicken on party. Shinko when the cockwash may be cool. She may kube shifenano. Some of swashing bushinke de campo. Publishing the campo, major de campo. Okuto bona moemo. She couldn't sing the campo, okay. She honor my gym. No supposed to leave. A bag one she may calm down. Say, if no room maker. What you can she, as my was a can number. Go tell me if you want to manage. But yes, she will. Only 30 minutes. Patient machine will be abracadabra robiaro. Obligation what if in Jesus on retain them that day. So before campaign, okay mo nnam nna osa ukwane nna osa ndokwa di na eyem ego after campaign odasho eyem ego mgbe ụbọchị ya na akpọm che nwa m amon she adebe an be appointment wori kini gidele ka but ke ekwu 1.5 million na 600,000 before campaign ama mele o she ne no a ama mo ye need information but ka som igwe so bo she uje eyem ani need na Apple ni keno Young Prince. Cause on kagwai, boku school fees. Eku ni she, ibo Honorable Commissioner of Finance. Akoni wam school fees. Honorable Commissioner of Finance one nam. Kueshi kete shoka kono mum school fees. Ma posa shi tobale lene. Posa social media. Be kene ba gwandem maro shoko no mum school fees. Akono mum school fees aba shi for job. No jin kende maro na ako. Kendo de mare, dan be kure now. or na kono school fees. Take already baro. Of course, our lady school fees for 2 to 3 10. Imagine they made the interview where make session in social media. Ababu ke meno na isi na arụ ọrụ.
I want to say
Ba nu be nwa ọrụ. Option akọrọ nwa school fees. They don't have a problem at Young Prince. They will be some okwu na bia social media. Okay, mon na mje ne kwasho no school fees kete. Men we boss am. What about program one school fees o? What about one more program school fees o? Bo ku oshi na ko recently. What about kwa? Oji ne kwa kete ki ichi. Aputa social media na ba boss wa. Ona akone okun no mum school fees. Ngo nwa zule ngwe ti ndia no wa Young Prince. Ejikeme. Yamolele mejikeme. Men ya roba ma wori. Men yi peshi ni pe. Tajini ba robeshi. Recently even be wojimoro ruzu campaign night. Nwa na-ejikemeni. Azu ne nwodom na Ugara. Polytechnic, OND, HND, Ogajetini, Oguni business admin in school. Osavori use for use service posa. Ngbarokada zuenwem ni school. Bokada zunwam ni school. Ọrụ comedian na ọrụ MC na ọrụ entertainment nọ na arụ ndị na-azụ ndị ọzọ fọzọ na-azụ ụmụ m na-azụ nwunye m na-azụ ezinụlọ m na-azụ my siblings nwunye ihe nínú meka kete ka echi ma pọsa ba agwa shọsọ ụwa onye oye nínú meka Young Prince nwa ife eto ikwu na mena bashari o the three segment itie na nege na akwaroka mena bashari kete Young Prince biko ọ bụ nwere ife na chana ka oke ikudo ke be uri shi ni shiketo obu shi chona ke ri ashoki biko ni ama o shi fi made the bad we oke takala ka okwu onu ri oke shi abiko oke gbo oke na gbari na gbari maru ubeji ni shi ni shiketo ke ngwa ko ma shi yo ku ni shiwaji ni gbo Young Prince yin ke ka dofo no moko awe ife shi na asom shi egu na ni bocho suni bochi igbunu nye la e ma nso nwene mbo onye jokpo abu onye bia mbo onye akashede mbo onye modu a ne jokpo imusu shininne o sa akashede ebe ko shine bia mbo nwane adana mada toro ko nwe marikete chi we gbu Young Prince ya fun ne bel chi ngbo na anyi ko na ipa ko so e ba do na moko we gbu Young Prince ne ko ba chi Young Prince ko ti Young Prince waro Young Princess so ya fun ne bel ya bia and do fun na moko o yimi dona go bode nwani gurube idu no pokuri de ne court ba do ne court ejina mmeka ne nwe gurube yodi ne court ne government na acho yu ne nwe ati na ko npo 5 for now but na eche ye eche ni ya cash nke riju efo ofoji kemeke mena yodi adi mbe nwe o ori ba de ne mumma adi na bibi ko nyozo politics or no politics chukwu na yen meka nkwutelenu mekuku nyebe but ndi be yebe we election nwam ori kene onye bo gbo Fidelis Okemot nije ne meni yenwoku okweso na mena yonnam osando wa na yesfo na echi now I don't know if enwe mojine okweso na mena yo you are my boss I remain in your camp whatever they say bube jini shini eketo na onye bo Fidelis Okemot nije bo commissioner of finance onnam nna osamaro ekwe ụmụ nkwa ọrụ na erum ọrụ na eru echi na gọọmenti reba agụ grabash problem sarini ye na anya eru n'unu na-eri na Moshi Labour Party ko n'ọrụ na unu na-eri nsogbu adị na ọ dịrị n'isu na chọsa anyicha ọ bụ okwu eme okwu oshi na oyem oye nketa kechi ma bịa social media ba gwasa ma so oye wemo gbuo ya shinem akpọrọ ma nyinesem anyị pụrụ ebe no mekenesi onye bụ Honorable Barrister Possible Ajede Orobioma abonye kponumoku in early February na normal onwore she ele na ejikeme ele nkata si n'okwu campaign na body baga e were si nwata ife nwata na eyem over 3 months na nwata Lord ma appreciate you Honorable Barrister Possible Ajede that was the executive chairman, Doom Agenda. mekene yekene mbena nkene techele mekene yebo right honorable Ocho Christopher Ocho, who the immediate past deputy speaker of Delta State House of Assembly, mekene yekene mekene yebo Dr. Chukwuneye Osai, mekene yekene mekene kumashi onye bụ honorable barrister Richard Okolocha, mekene shi yekene mekene kumashi onye bụ my friends, my fans, all my fans mekene ọsọ ncha ọsandero na akpọ nne echikoku kene bidon dokun kene ọsọ ncha boku mara pasho mo nyaro shimme share ndekun shimme mekene ọsọ ncha mekene kumashi ọsọ ncha ndekpọ nne shimme kweleni mekene ono abu monye we push me take my time me fe nimbo public figure in entertainment today in Ndokwa Nation bagbago maru iri adini menwa mari iri so ke you wa shi born no to na sma because me ba pa fai e ka ma pa fai on de ku ni she nko yem 5 million do ke mari be yem o te npa yin o gari be ron ka je pa fai no ge uri ko so nye jini ni kono na abia unom na ikpesa mechin na ebuse moto na abia unom eshikoku kene bidon po young prince yin po keni chikeni kueleni de kushimekuni osonja ne kanu mbele kendo tu buru jene okwala me kanu mu ekene de kere kpashi DJ Eze ne kono na aro mani ashi no forward bia mani abo nwene mani ye ikpeso na mani ya donc agwo sonja ne one appointment that with appointment or without appointment, I am living. I'm living very large. Actually, I'm going to about soliciting him. Not about marrying. Back Pokemon, listen, or the BM appointment. I can go on son cha, when you can already. Never boom. I'm a proud entertainer. I'm also a proud farmer. I'm a cassava farmer. Do men non in loom over expectation, age boom in politics. I can get a banning rogo. But in the ndị general agamogom na manager one that when my boss on child all my fans make no they take mo gbo Fidele Chibogo no na akpọ na eshikoku kene bi no nya bia chala nova mo gbo ifu Gandoki Dele Chibogo Gandoki and Sons oyem ne naram ekene yekene osa bia chala no na akpọ nne mekenu mekene osa Ndokwa West Utagbo no na akpọ nne mekenu mekene Admiral Mike Ojinika ona Bono to poor Fisumpe, Ezaje, Ekenu Ekene. Ekenu Nibo, His Royal Majesty, Friday Abaja, Eni, Ekeneshi Ekene. Nekino Samban in Essene, Kenekmanik me Zeamai, or Son Chanes and Eknonekin, or Sunday on your body, Tien on no cookene, Sunday Ponen, Lekenon, Chukucheno Sonancha. No Ponomon, Nini creators and Bekenation and Monibo Halaji Samuku. Organiswada. Mekanik Malaji Sam Oku. I'll be former's Wasa, High Chief. They can immigrate. They have the media personnel to Nibo Commissioner of Finance. They can Jeffrey Wopone. Oh, one possible ajede. They can know a kenny. Kenekma Ubechin, who Honorable Commissioner of Urban. Korogama, Yenekam, also Manoka, Sinelo Beruan, they can know a kenny. Amar Meluni may. Yem, Keti on. We cannot summer on Essen. The no Ponomon, the honor my born Abiam, aging the Pukalene, is sheer guard.
And again, Young Prince, who now appears to be sober, puts out another video where he started calling for peace and asking for forgiveness to everyone whose name he mentioned earlier.
All right, good morning. Sincerely from my heart, I want to say sorry to as many that I think I called their name in the last video I did yesterday. My elder brother, Toli Jackson, I'm apologizing to you because I want this matter to die totally. And I also heard what one of my friends told me on Facebook yesterday. I think there is no need for me to call anybody name out. So both MC Bawa and MC Ebumebo Honorable Solution, all of you that I got involved in my speech yesterday. I'm totally saying sorry from the bottom of my heart. As I told you this morning, I'm traveling to one part of Delta where I'm going to do video for what the governor is doing for us. And also, like what I told you people yesterday, I will release the video that my royal father, Eze Paul Ifeanyi Uche, the video he did with me yesterday, the day I was coming back, so what I was talking about in my speech yesterday, I'm going to release the video today so that you people will see that video and will know that what I was telling you is nothing but the truth. So I want to appreciate my friends, as many that is following me on Facebook. I want to appreciate you. I want to also appreciate Dr. Robert Ozu and also appreciate my brother Newton and Odolo. People have been wonderful. Thank you. This time, it's no longer time for quarrel. It's time for work. So I'm going to do my business that I know how to do best. So very soon after this video, you will see the second video I'm going to release. So I want to say thank you and to also say sorry for as many that have offended in one way or the other. MC Bawa, you remember my father. Solution, my in-law. I say, you people, I'm sorry for what I said yesterday. Thank you, and God bless you.
And from his own mouth, the Igwete of my kingdom, His Royal Highness Paul Solomon Ifeanyi Uche, expressed dissatisfaction, just like a lot of other people did, over the disrespectful outburst of Young Prince towards the Honorable Commissioner for Finance of Delta State, Chief Fidelis Chilije. King of Amai invited Young Prince to his palace, where he ensured that Lucky Chime himself opened his mouth and tendered the long-awaited apology to the Ochosa of Akashede, Sir Fidelis Okembo Chilije. The Igwete of Amai, as it stands, pleaded on behalf of Young Prince to the Commissioner to forgive Young Prince and overlook his errors as a son.
Men not indicated within a minute social media she watching now. Benuku if Onyebo Lucky Chime were mariners, Young Prince, a musician, no one. If you post in social media, and then if I pass a man in there, you will lock another one. I say, one when you judge no, a one woman. Bonye post in the video by any, bon one in Naron. No, I'm using a fee. Safiri is okay, much to the one. And you represent Anye as Commissioner for Finance, Delta State. O board do the canoe. And my open in a art worker. I remember if one you post to me, when was on my friend in it. And in about what? She can tell me, Johnny Corbia, over going fishing at people. So, a job as open now, you told me before now, when I was on open. On no pay the girl. You made the person, met Yakario, and then negotiate me. Tell you up on she because they buy wine. No quite negotiate to be normal when I'm with you. Okay, girl. I was on the move, but it will make a change. So, Young Prince never like that. No quite say no medicine or not, because I can't say any name. Call your our Commissioner for Finance. The Kellen Naria. So, Quani, but no Nazo can hear you. But Niku never let them marrow, Biconi. Don't you born a Sancha Barre. No need support Angotani. So, all the people that mention the video, Nario Sonocha, everybody. Will you want you now? Say, oh no, pay the girl. The theologian is washing. Okay, no, the one you go Lucky Chime, Young Prince, Warona, your our lost son, Sir Fidelis Okembo Chilije, so no, pay the girl, the Lukuna. Open is only okay, no, share one.
Woman, Nick General Bo Paul Ifeanyi Uche, Narmezamai, Nick Reno Quibon Kite. My boss is now because she will be we makone ile foni feke no chine pom na ayo ishibiko shiwewe orobon kufele no malaria she our commissioner Oke Mo Fidelis Lije shiwewe ye makone ife menini na ayo osande woten yabo osande ko buku kokozu ke musume na gwanu shiwewe wono makone ife ganene oge kene ke shesi le no ri onara anye bo Oke Mo Fidelis Lije shabiko moro ward 9 en 1 no sanye chabo biara koke nari aya biko onwe ife ofu na je ke ru enu ya biko wele shi esi anye de ne ward 9 ya biko ne ya bo nara osanye cha bo mo aya nari aya elele le video kene me ne weye iwe shagbare arere okunde okele nu ni male so nara ya ni shamu anye ndu gonoba na so aya se lao baba eyin mi ayije o ma gbera bere o ise.
So right now, all parties involved are now at peace, and all insults issued to each party have been withdrawn. Okwane people are therefore enjoined to live in peace like we have all been doing over the years. And that's a full update from the Young Prince's insult saga to the Commissioner for Finance, Sir Fidelis Oke Mo Lije. I'm going to see is my name. This is Okwane Reporters Television.